This is gonna blow your mind. Stay with me till the end, because this message might be the comfort your heart has been waiting for. If this blesses you, don't forget to share it with someone who needs encouragement today. Imagine if death was not the end, but a new beginning. For centuries we've wondered what lies beyond our final breath. Deep in the ocean, a tiny jellyfish challenges everything we know about life and death. The Turritopsis dohrnii can reverse its aging, seemingly cheating death itself. Its story is a whisper of hope, a reminder that nature still holds secrets about the meaning of life. In the dark, silent abyss of the ocean, there lives a creature so small it could rest on your fingertip. It is almost transparent, a ghost in the water, drifting silently with the currents. This is the immortal jellyfish known to scientists as Turritopsis dohrnii. At first glance it is utterly unremarkable, just one of countless species of jellyfish that populate our seas. It is delicate, fragile, and seemingly insignificant in the grand tapestry of marine life. Yet this tiny being possesses a power so extraordinary that it continues to baffle the brightest minds in science. It holds the secret to a kind of biological immortality, a natural fountain of youth. Unlike every other known animal on the planet, this jellyfish has found a way to reverse its own aging process. For most living things, the journey of life is a one-way street. We are born, we grow, we reach maturity, we age, and eventually, we die. This is the fundamental cycle that governs all of us. But the immortal jellyfish plays by a different set of rules. When it faces extreme stress, injury, or the simple decline of old age, it can do something truly astonishing. It refuses to surrender to its fate. Instead of dying, it initiates a process of total cellular transformation, a biological reset unlike anything else in the known animal kingdom. In essence, this creature can revert to its earliest stage of life. It transforms its adult cells back into their juvenile state, becoming a small, plant-like polyp that attaches itself to a surface on the ocean floor. From this polyp, a new jellyfish will eventually bud and grow, beginning its life cycle all over again. It is the biological equivalent of a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar, or an old tree becoming a seed once more. This process, known as transdifferentiation, allows the jellyfish to be born again and again from its own body, potentially for eternity. It is not just healing, it is complete rejuvenation. This incredible ability makes the immortal jellyfish a subject of intense fascination and study. It represents a living paradox, a creature that is both mortal and, in a sense, eternal. Its existence raises profound questions that touch upon the very core of biology, medicine, and even philosophy. Could this tiny, simple organism hold the key to unlocking new therapies for human aging or degenerative diseases? Does its life cycle offer a glimpse into a form of existence that we can only dream of? The story of the immortal jellyfish is a journey into the heart of nature's greatest mystery, the secret to eternal life. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. Almost invisible, no bigger than a pinky nail, it drifts through the ocean, quietly defying the rules of life and death. When threatened or aging, it can reverse its life cycle, starting over as if reborn. This remarkable ability sets it apart from every other creature, making it nature's ultimate survivor. The immortal jellyfish reminds us that the ocean still holds secrets beyond our imagination. The immortal jellyfish is unlike any other creature. While most animals live a one-way journey from birth to death, this jellyfish breaks the rules. Instead of aging, it can reverse its life cycle, transforming back to its youthful polyp stage. This remarkable process, called transdifferentiation, lets it renew itself endlessly. The immortal jellyfish is its own fountain of youth, a true master of cellular transformation. The immortal jellyfish Turritopsis dohrnii can hit the reset button on its own life. Like a computer rebooting, it reverts to its earliest stage when threatened or aging. Instead of repairing, it transforms into a polyp, starting life anew. This cycle could, in theory, go on forever. But immortality isn't invincibility. Predators and disease still threaten its existence. Even a life without end must be lived with care. For most creatures, life is a straight road: birth, growth, aging, and finally, death. But in the ocean's depths, the immortal jellyfish breaks this rule. Instead of ending, its life forms a loop, reverting from adult back to its earliest stage, starting again. This cycle of renewal makes Turritopsis dohrnii a true biological enigma. It's a living testament to nature's creativity, where the end is just a new beginning. The immortal jellyfish's secret is transdifferentiation, a process where specialized cells transform into entirely different types. While human cells are locked into their roles, this jellyfish can reprogram its cells, reverting to a youthful polyp stage when under stress. Scientists are fascinated, as understanding this could revolutionize regenerative medicine. Imagine healing a damaged heart or brain using your own cells. The immortal jellyfish is a living marvel of cellular potential. The immortal jellyfish holds a cellular fountain of youth within its own body. While humans search for eternal life, this tiny creature's cells can turn back their biological clock, escaping aging. Its remarkable genes allow cells to become young again, forming fresh tissues and starting life anew. Scientists study this genetic code, hoping to unlock secrets of longevity. The immortal jellyfish is nature's living embodiment of endless renewal and wonder. The immortal jellyfish, once thought to live only in the Mediterranean and Japan, has quietly spread across the globe. Invisible and resilient, it travels in ballast water, thriving in oceans from Spain to Panama. Its tiny, ghostly form is nearly impossible to spot, making it one of the sea's most elusive creatures. As scientists study its mysterious life cycle, the immortal jellyfish remains a symbol of nature's secrets and adaptability. The immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, has captivated scientists with its ability to reverse aging. Researchers are decoding its DNA, hoping to unlock secrets that could revolutionize medicine and help us combat age-related diseases. But this quest also raises profound ethical questions about life, mortality, and what it means to be human. Friend, if God is speaking to you through this, pause for a moment, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments which verse touched you the most. Your interaction helps more people see this message of comfort. The jellyfish's mystery is both scientific and philosophical, challenging us to imagine the future we truly want. The immortal jellyfish isn't invincible. Its eternal life is fragile and easily broken. Predators, pollution, and sudden environmental changes can end its life instantly, regardless of its unique ability to reverse aging. Its immortality is a potential, not a guarantee. Survival depends on escaping countless dangers in the ocean. The jellyfish's story is a paradox. It can cheat death from within, but remains vulnerable to death from without. This delicate balance reminds us that even nature's most miraculous abilities are subject to the harsh realities of survival. The jellyfish is not a godlike being, but a symbol of life's tenacity and fragility. Its existence is a testament to the wonder and limits of biological immortality. The immortal jellyfish embodies the paradox of strength and vulnerability. It can reset its life, but its delicate body is always at risk from predators and environmental threats. Immortality for this creature is not safety, it's a constant struggle to survive long enough to use its gift. Its power to begin again is only meaningful if it survives the present moment. The jellyfish's story shows us that life's value comes from its fragility, not just its length. Even with endless renewal, its existence is precarious, reminding us that a long life isn't necessarily a secure one. True strength, perhaps, is the resilience to start over, not the absence of danger. The immortal jellyfish challenges our idea of a full life. Humans live with urgency, knowing our time is limited. We seek meaning, growth, and legacy. The jellyfish lives in endless cycles, with no memory or accumulation of experience, just biological renewal. Is a life lived 1,000 times, but always as a blank slate, richer than a single finite life filled with love and awareness? Its immortality is mechanical, not conscious. It survives but does not create, remember, or aspire. The jellyfish reminds us that the richness of life comes from meaning, connection, and creativity, not just duration. Our mortality makes every moment precious and drives us to make our lives matter. The jellyfish's marvel is biological, but our human marvel is the depth and meaning we find in our fleeting time. Our fascination with the immortal jellyfish reflects our own hopes and fears about mortality. It seems to embody the ancient dream of escaping death, offering a glimpse of endless renewal. We project our longing for second chances and freedom from decline onto this tiny creature. Yet its immortality is purely physical, an eternity without memory, identity, or self. Would we truly want to live forever if it meant losing who we are? The jellyfish's story prompts us to question what kind of eternity we really seek. It points us toward a deeper yearning, not just for endless life, but for a meaningful, conscious existence. The immortal jellyfish is a living metaphor, hinting at deeper spiritual truths. Its cycle of renewal echoes the Christian promise of rebirth and resurrection, but only as a shadow. The jellyfish's reset is temporary and physical. The gospel offers a permanent spiritual transformation. Jesus promises eternal life not as a biological loop, but as a new, unending existence with God. The jellyfish's marvel points beyond itself, to the Creator who offers true, lasting hope. When we marvel at this creature, we're invited to look beyond nature's wonders to the source of all life. The jellyfish is a signpost, directing our gaze from the mysteries of the deep to the promise of a love and eternity far greater than biology alone can offer. Its story reminds us that the ultimate answer to our longing for immortality may lie not in nature but in the divine. The immortal jellyfish fascinates us, but its eternity is fragile, threatened by predators, pollution, and disease. Nature's best is a cycle, never escaping death's shadow. In contrast, the Bible promises a perfect, unconditional eternal life, no more death or pain. God's gift is boundless, secured by divine power. What science marvels at in a jellyfish, God offers us in a far greater way through Jesus Christ. The immortal jellyfish, a tiny creature with a hint of eternity, is a gentle invitation from the Creator, designed to spark our curiosity and awaken wonder. Its miraculous life points us to a spiritual truth. Creation is filled with purpose and design, reflecting a wise and powerful Creator. The jellyfish's story invites us to consider a greater reality, an eternal life offered by God, not just in nature but in spirit. The story of the immortal jellyfish leads us to profound awe and wonder. It reminds us that creation is a tapestry woven with intricate design and purpose. Psalm 104 declares, "How many are your works, Lord? In wisdom you made them all." This tiny jellyfish is a testament to this truth. It holds a secret so profound it challenges our understanding of life and death, a clear sign of a wisdom far greater than our own. Even the smallest creatures hold the keys to life's greatest mysteries. We often look to the stars or great beasts for wonder, yet, in the ocean's silent darkness, a tiny jellyfish demonstrates a power that eludes humanity. It teaches us humility. There is divine craftsmanship in every corner of creation. The world is a book filled with God's artistry. Every creature has a story to tell about its author. The immortal jellyfish signals that the world is not empty or meaningless. It is charged with the grandeur of God. Its existence refutes the idea that life is merely a product of blind chance. The elegant solution it has for overcoming age speaks of an intelligence and creativity beyond simple survival. It is a work of art, a biological masterpiece. Its presence invites us to contemplate the mind of the artist who conceived such a wonder. Stories like that of the immortal jellyfish should inspire reverence. They inspire us to explore, learn, and protect the natural world, recognizing it as a gallery of divine works. This tiny creature points toward the Creator of all things. It encourages us to see the world with the heart of a worshiper, marveling at the boundless imagination of a God who fills even the darkest depths with light and life. The immortal jellyfish, a marvel of nature, hints at eternity with its unique ability to reset its life cycle. Yet its fragile immortality is only a shadow of the true everlasting life our souls seek. Genuine eternal life is not found in biology but in a person, Jesus Christ, who offers a life that never ends. The wonder of creation points us to the Creator, the true source of life without end. As our journey into the world of the immortal jellyfish comes to a close, we are left with a profound sense of perspective. We started with a tiny, almost invisible creature, and ended with the grandest questions of life, death, and eternity. This humble jellyfish has shown us that nature is filled with secrets that can reshape our understanding of what is possible. Its ability to turn back time, to be born again from its own body, is a testament to the incredible ingenuity and boundless creativity woven into the fabric of life on Earth. It is a story of resilience, of renewal, and of a life that finds a way to persist against all odds. This creature's story has become a global phenomenon, a modern parable for an age of scientific discovery. It reminds us that life is a miracle, precious and full of surprises. It encourages us to remain curious, to keep exploring the vast, uncharted territories of our own planet, where countless other wonders surely await our discovery. But more than that, the immortal jellyfish serves as a mirror, reflecting our own deep-seated desire for a life that transcends our mortal limits. It gives us a tangible glimpse of a concept, eternity, that has haunted and inspired humanity for millennia, making it feel just a little more real. Ultimately, the most important lesson from this tiny marvel is not about biology, but about hope. The jellyfish's fragile, looping existence points beyond itself to a more perfect and secure hope. It shows us a physical shadow of a spiritual reality. True eternity, the kind our hearts truly yearn for, is not a cycle of starting over in a broken world. It is a final, glorious graduation into a new world, a life of unending purpose, love, and fellowship with our Creator. It is an eternity that preserves who we are, redeemed and made whole, not an eternity that erases us. The immortal jellyfish is a wonder of God's creation, a small but powerful testament to His wisdom and imagination. But the ultimate wonder is God's love, expressed through the offer of true eternal life through His Son, Jesus Christ. The jellyfish's secret is hidden in the deep sea, but God's promise of eternal life is openly declared to all who will listen. The life of the jellyfish is a beautiful, looping dance with mortality. The life offered through faith is a final, triumphant victory over it. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs God's comfort today. Thank you for watching. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who love animals and nature's wonders. See you in the next documentary.